I am Professor Dr. Vittul K. Gupta from Bhatinda, Punjab. I am Health and Human Rights Activist and Chairman Association of Physicians of India Malwa Branch, Executive Committee Member as Convener Pollution Council CSI. So I want to discuss and stress on hypertension, because Cardiology Society of India is basically related to heart diseases and hypertension. But hypertension, obesity and diabetes are the root causes for any cardiovascular diseases. So it is very easy once the cardiovascular disease is there to treat that. So that is why more and more people are suffering from cardiovascular diseases in India. So our stress, at least what I think, is prevention is most important to curb and decrease the prevalence of cardiovascular diseases. And for that, three diseases gains much more importance that we call as non-communicable diseases of hypertension, diabetes and obesity. So today I will talk about hypertension. Hypertension has got risk factors like obesity, other diseases, smoking, alcohol intake, diet, exercise, etc. So if we control the risk factors, we are going to control hypertension, because now the ICMR study recently has suggested that 35.5% of people in India are suffering from hypertension. So that is a huge number, considering that now we are 1.4 billion people in India. So that is why prevention of hypertension, control of risk factor are very, very important. And once person is diagnosed with hypertension, proper control of hypertension is going to reduce the mortality and morbidity because of cardiovascular diseases. So today everyone should endeavor, go for efforts, making efforts for prevention of hypertension, that is through lifestyle modifications of diet, controlling obesity, controlling diabetes and exercise, cessation of tobacco use, moderation of alcohol. Those things are going to help us a lot in controlling and preventing hypertension. So today's slogan should be control of hypertension, diabetes and obesity to protect the world from increasing cardiovascular diseases. Thank you very much.